Hello, my name is Tony McAvoy. I'm a Wurree man and a barrister, and I'm speaking to you today in my role as a Commissioner on the Australian Law Reform Commission. I'm speaking to you from Orangey country, where we have travelled in the last couple of days to meet with traditional owners in Central Australia. I'm speaking to you today about the Native Title Future Acts regime review that the Australian Law Reform Commission is undertaking. That review, as commissioned by the government, has asked us to look at the Future Acts regime, which is the part of the Native Title Act under which acts can be done to native title. Now, in looking at that process, we've been asked to see what we can do in terms of ensuring that the regime is fair and it's able to be accessed by people, and it is expedient. And so we issued an issue paper last year in December. We've heard a lot of comments about that paper and had a lot of suggestions from various people. We know that many people have expressed concerns about the way the system is currently working, and so we see that people are concerned about the ease of access to the system, that it's difficult to understand, that it's in part unfair for many parties, and that access to compensation is difficult to achieve. There are other aspects that need attention, but certainly one of the often commented on issues is the lack of resources for all parties, in particular the native title holders, in dealing with future acts affecting their lands. In May this year, we have issued a discussions paper with some options for reform, which have been greatly informed by our previous consultations and the submissions that we've received to date. The paper seeks to address the concerns that we've heard about, including providing for additional resources for parties so that the system can work better, hopefully providing for a fairer system in order to reach an agreement about how things can and should be done, for more accessible processes to help the agreements and the processes happen in a speedy fashion. We've also set aside time now to receive submissions in relation to the discussion paper, and we're asking people to provide written submissions by the 10th of July 2025. We're asking people, even if they can't make a written submission, if they've got something they want to tell us, that they should call us or send us an email. And hopefully, upon receiving all of those submissions and thinking further about some of the options that we've identified in the discussion paper, we will be able to present something to the government at the close of this inquiry period in December this year that has really well developed and thought through options for reform of this very difficult part of the law that hasn't been reformed since 1998. Thank you.